In today's show, Bitcoin traders expect $60,000 by month's end, marking 45K as accumulation. And as crypto analyst Mikhail Vende-Pop shares here, Bitcoin rejected at the $48,000 level, through which it is still seeking support to be hit. Looking at the region at 46K, and Plan B updated us this morning. Basically, no movement in the $40,000 to $60,000 range since February 2021, up or down. That is the question. And as pointed out here by Rec Capital, Bitcoin has successfully retested the black diagonal of support. In fact, it has been doing so for 3 weeks straight. However, recent weekly close means that the red horizontal at 48,670 has been lost as support. Bitcoin could bounce soon in an effort to reclaim red as support. And Galaxy BTC shares, it's just a matter of time before Bitcoin breaks out, and the longer it takes, the harder it will pump. Q1 is up only. You heard it here first. And Tor Demister wrote, Bitcoin's launchpad, the longer we consolidate around 50K, the faster we'll rally beyond 100K. Also in today's show, former First Lady Melania Trump congratulates Bitcoin on its 13th birthday, which was yesterday. She shared here on crypto Twitter. It is widely reported that Bitcoin's market cap exceeds $1 trillion. Today marks the 13th anniversary of the Bitcoin Genesis block. Happy anniversary. Hashtag Satoshi Nakamoto. Hashtag Melania NFT. And Pompliano responded, Melania Trump is a Bitcoiner. And someone else responded, this is a pretty cryptic divorce announcement. Also in today's show, Bitcoin exchange balances trend back to historic lows as BTC withdrawals resume in January. As Jameson Lopp shares here, Bitcoin balances on exchanges ended 2021 higher at 1.56 million BTC, according to Coinmetrics, but they ended the year lower at 2.55 million BTC, according to Glassnode. All I know is Bitcoin incoming supply shock. Let's freaking go. Also in today's show, Nexo co-founder targets Bitcoin at $100,000 by mid-2022. That's right, Antoni Trenchev, the co-founder and managing partner of Nexo, said Bitcoin could hit the $100,000 milestone as soon as the summer in a new interview with CNBC. Quoting him here, every time that investors and the broader community write off Bitcoin, it outperforms significantly. This has been the case in 2020 when it rallied close to 1,000%, and in 2021 when it rallied 63%. I am quite bullish on Bitcoin. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin and many of the major alts are currently correcting, back in the red. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more, in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. The goal is to get to 100,000 subs along with a $100,000 Bitcoin price. If you like getting that crypto, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick, before I kick off today's show, today's episode is brought to you by BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors. They have a special promo they're running right now where you can get up to $250 in Bitcoin for funding your account today. And their flagship products include their BlockFi interest account, where you can earn up to a 9% APY with no minimum balance and no hidden fees. And of course, you can buy, sell, and trade the top cryptocurrencies instantly, 24/7, 365, and also have a BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards Visa credit card where you can earn 3.5% Bitcoin back on all your purchases within your first 90 days, then get an unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin on everything you buy thereafter. And they also offer crypto-backed loans where you can borrow against your crypto at rates as low as 4.5% APR with no prepayment penalties, no impact to your credit, and receive the funds the same business day, truly making this a no-brainer. So go ahead and click my referral link in the description right down below and get up to $250 in Bitcoin for funding your account today. And let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. How's it going, crypto fam? Holla at your boy in the live chat. Now, the bearish pressures facing the crypto market at the end of 2021 have continued into the first week of 2022 after the price of Bitcoin dropped below 47,000 on January 1st, and the asset still faces stiff headwinds on the shorter time frame charts. Now, data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that after climbing above 47,500 to start the new year, the price of Bitcoin fell under pressure in the afternoon on December 3rd, and currently the price has dropped to 46,500, where the bulls now look to mount a defense. And right here, you're looking at the Bitcoin 4-hour candle chart. Now, here's a look at what several analysts in the market are saying about the path ahead for Bitcoin in 2022 as the global economic system continues to grapple with inflation. Bitcoin needs to reclaim support at $48,670. As Rec Capital shares here, Bitcoin has successfully retested the black diagonal of support. In fact, it has been doing so for 3 weeks straight. However, the recent weekly close means that the red horizontal at $48,670 has been lost as support. Bitcoin could bounce soon in an effort to reclaim red as support. And the current weakness for Bitcoin was also addressed by analyst and Cointelegraph contributor Mikhail Van de Poppe, who posted the following tweet suggesting that the rejection at 48,000 could lead the price to slide below 46K, as he shares here on crypto Twitter. Bitcoin rejected at the $48,000 level, through which it is still seeking support to be hit, looking at the region at 46K. And despite the short-term struggles for Bitcoin, the long-term outlook continues to be bullish for many investors. Among them includes analyst and anonymous Twitter user Galaxy BTC, who posted the following chart outlining a possible breakout in Q1 of 2022. As he shares here on Twitter, it's just a matter of time before Bitcoin breaks out, and the longer it takes, the harder it will pump. Q1 is up only. You heard it here first. And the positive future outlook for BTC expressed by Galaxy BTC was echoed by crypto trader and pseudonymous Twitter user Bobby Axelrod, who posted the following chart outlining the predicted trajectory of a cup and handle formation on the Bitcoin chart in the months ahead. Quoting him right here, the handle will end up looking something like this, in my opinion: $58,000 to $60,000 mid to late January, a pullback to $48,000 to $50,000 first week in February, retest all-time high end of February or very early March, small pullback early March, then rocket to the moon. Let's freaking go. And as pointed out here by Tor Demeester, Bitcoin's launchpad, the longer we consolidate around $50,000, the faster we'll rally beyond 100K. And as pointed out here by Plan B this morning, basically no movement in the $40,000 to $60,000 range since February 2021, up or down. That is the question. And he also shared on January 2nd, in case you missed it, number 1, floor model failed. I will not use it again. Number 2, stock to flow model is at the same critical point at the standard deviation band as when I wrote the stock to flow article in March 2019. In my opinion, stock to flow is still useful. In fact, the model is most useful in critical situations. I will watch if stock to flow stays within 1 standard deviation. And before I break down next story of the day, former First Lady Melania Trump congratulates Bitcoin on its 13th birthday, as well as Bitcoin exchange balances trend back to historic lows as BTC withdrawals resume in January, as well as Nexo co-founder targets Bitcoin at $100,000 by mid-2022. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin and many of the major alts are currently correcting back in the red, with Bitcoin down 1.5% for the day, maintaining just above $46,500 support. We have Ether barely in the green, trading just above $3,800. Solana, Polkadot, Binance Coin, Luna, Cardano, XRP, Doge, and Sheep all correcting and in the red. But all right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Shortly after launching her own NFT project last month, former First Lady of the United States, Melania Trump, gave a shout out to Bitcoin on Twitter. As she shares right here, it is widely reported that Bitcoin's market cap exceeds $1 trillion USD. Today marks the 13th anniversary of the Bitcoin Genesis block. Happy anniversary, hashtag Satoshi Nakamoto, hashtag Melania NFT. And check out how much love this post got. Literally 6,632 retweets and 36,800 likes. Like, whoa. And many people in the crypto community, including Morgan Creek Digital co-founder Antoni Pompliano, subsequently suggest that Ms. Trump could be a Bitcoiner or be involved in the Bitcoin industry. Others pointed to major anti-Bitcoin remarks made by Mrs. Trump's husband, former U.S. President Donald Trump, who had repeatedly slammed Bitcoin in the recent years, calling it a scam and arguing that it is based on thin air. I mean, what do you expect from a U.S. president who works for the central banks? Just saying. And here's a hilarious response. This is a pretty cryptic divorce announcement. Props to the Trump crime family. Hilarious, right? Now, the former First Lady officially announced her NFT platform in mid-December 2021, dropping her first digital collectible called Melania's Vision. And according to Melania's official website, the NFT sale was carried out on the Solana blockchain, with the auction ending on Friday. And checking out her Twitter profile, besides the recent Bitcoin-related posts, virtually everything is related to her NFT drop. I want to give a quick shout out to Margex, your reliable way to trade Bitcoin and other top cryptos with up to 100x leverage. That's right, and they have a special promo they're running right now to bring in the first trend of 2022, where they're giving away a 20% bonus on your deposit. That's right, from December 30th, 2021 to January 10th, 2022, make a deposit on Margex and receive a 20% bonus. Just like that, here's how it works. Sign up using my referral link in the description right down below, then make a deposit and claim your bonus. It's that simple, truly making this a no-brainer. So go ahead and use my referral link in the description right down below. Create your Margex trading account today and take advantage of your free 20% bonus, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? And before I break down next story of the day, Bitcoin exchange balances trend back to historic lows as BTC withdrawals resume in January, as well as Nexo co-founder targets Bitcoin at six figures by mid-2022. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting just above $2.2 trillion with $92 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, with the current Bitcoin dominance at a low of 39.5%, with the Ether dominance at 20.3%. And checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Near Protocol leading the pack, up 15% for the day, trading at $16.75, followed by Velas, up almost 15%, trading at 47 cents, followed by ICP, up 13.6%, trading at $31.12. Now, which altcoins are you most bullish on for 2022? Let me know in the comments right down below. And now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 23 out of 100 in extreme fear. Yesterday was a 29, last week a 41, and last month a 18 in extreme fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity like we're witnessing right now. BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. But all right, now let's break down our next story of the day. Bitcoin exchange reserves are back near record lows as 2022 sparks renewed appetite amongst buyers. Data from on-chain analytics firm CryptoQuant shows reserves across 21 exchanges at 2.3 million BTC as of January 4th. Now, late December saw a macro low of 2.3 million BTC left on exchanges books. CryptoQuant recorded before a brief uptick to 2.334 million. And as institutional entities return to the market after the holiday period, however, the downtrend has resumed. This is in line with expectations that larger volume buyers would step in beginning Q1. Exchange balance data is a topic of some debate this week. Different statistics and sources are using varying numbers of exchanges and wallets, resulting in data that is barely comparable. CryptoQuant's 21 exchanges, for example, compete with 18 monitored by Glassnode and 5 by Coinmetrics. And another resource, CryptoRank, put the balance at just 1.3 million BTC on Christmas Eve. So depending on the platforms included, the trend may also be different, as some of the exchanges have seen overall reduction in their balance over the past month, while others have seen an increase. Quoting Root right here, if you leave out exchanges, it skews the results. Leaving out an example, Hobby Global has a huge impact because of China's spot trading ban. And as reported by Cointelegraph, this was the case with Hobby Global, which was obliged to deregister Chinese mainland users by the end of 2021 in line with regulations. And in a discussion with CryptoQuant last week, analyst David Puel, creator of the well-known Puel Multiple Indicator, revealed his thoughts on the upcoming market participant behavior. Quoting him here, the relaxed nature of Bitcoin in 2021 versus, for example, 2019 has kept retail investors and their FOMO away. I think this is long-term healthy, he said, along with the following. The market is mostly going to be owned by institutional players, especially in month-to-month price movements, with some profit taken from early adopters, but a much more diminished role coming from retail players. So there you have it. And before I break down our final story of the day, Nexo co-founder targets Bitcoin at $100,000 by mid-2022. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 1,000 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also, some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my new crypto merch store, which could be found at merch.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. To subscribe, visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. I have a blog I update daily, which can be found at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And of course, you can follow me on all the major podcasting platforms. We're currently receiving over 500,000 downloads per month. You can find me on Spotify, home of the Joe Rogan Experience, or Apple's iTunes or Google Play. And of course, you can follow me on crypto Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, and TikTok. So wherever you're at, be sure to follow me there. But all right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Another promising Bitcoin price prediction has appeared for the Bitcoin bulls in 2022. Antoni Trenchev, co-founder and managing partner of Nexo, Nexo said Bitcoin could hit that six-figure milestone as soon as the summer in a new interview with CNBC. So despite BTC opening the year with a bearish price action, while the fear and greed index shows extreme fear, the Bulgarian business mogul set the record straight, quoting him here, "Every time that investors and the broader community write off Bitcoin, it outperforms significantly. This has been the case in 2020 when it rallied close to 1,000%, and in 2021 when it rallied 63%. I am quite bullish on Bitcoin. As one of the world's largest leading institutions in the digital finance industry, Nexo is privy to insights from serving 2.5 million users across 200 jurisdictions, and as a competitor to platforms like BlockFi and Celsius, it recently became one of the first crypto lenders to allow customers to borrow stablecoins and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies using NFTs as collateral. And while Nexo was forged in the bear market of 2018, Trenchev says that access to cheap money and institutions filling their bags with cryptocurrencies will propel the Bitcoin price to over that $100,000 wall. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the Nexo co-founder. And there's plenty of evidence that institutional adoption is brewing. Last month, Fidelity Investments partnered with Nexo to offer crypto custodial services, products, and lending services for institutional investors. And yesterday, Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, which just listed the Nexo token on their exchange, said that regulatory clarity would help a ton on institutional adoption. In a nod to further Bitcoin adoption in developing countries, Trenchev concluded that Latin America is the poster child for cryptocurrency use cases. He joked that all of those countries could be potential candidates for adopting cryptocurrencies as legal tender, which leads me to this prediction from Nayib Bukele, the president of El Salvador. 2022 predictions on Bitcoin. Bitcoin will reach $100,000. 2 more countries will adopt it as legal tender. Which countries do you think that might be? It will become a major electoral issue in U.S. elections this year. Bitcoin City will commence construction. Volcano bonds will be oversubscribed, and a huge surprise at the Bitcoin 2022 conference. Let me know if you agree or disagree with Nayib Bukele. And now for a quick recap of what I covered with you here in today's show. Bitcoin traders expect $60,000 by month's end, marking $45,000 as accumulation. Also in today's show, I shared that former First Lady Melania Trump congratulates Bitcoin on its 13th birthday. Also in today's show, we discussed Bitcoin exchange balances trending back to historic lows as Bitcoin withdrawals resume in January. And we also discussed the Nexo co-founder targeting Bitcoin at $100,000 by mid-2022, as well as Nayib Bukele predicting a six-figure Bitcoin price here in 2022. But where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now for the top 3 comments from yesterday's episode. Sandy Scholes wrote, "Yo, Happy New Year, JV. Another great show. Thanks for the daily positive outlook. MSN doom and gloom, constant fear porn. Yawn. That's why I don't even watch TV trash anymore. If you could only work in some local weather, hey, we can dream. After I settle in El Salvador, maybe I'll be doing a local thing for the community. Love it. Be blessed, brother. Happy New Year's, Sandy. You are very welcome. I appreciate your support, and congratulations on deciding to move to Bitcoin City. Very exciting times. Cheers to an epic 2022. And our next featured comment comes from our very own Inner Dino, who wrote, "Thanks, JV. Love the show. $200,000. Woo woo. Let's freaking go. Bitcoin, $200,000 BTC in 2022. Send it." And our third and final feature comment is short and sweet, coming from Invest Answers. "Nice work, JV. Thanks for the shout out. Happy New Year's, boss. You got it, fam. One love." And to be featured on tomorrow's episode, drop me a comment right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. That's right, Bitcoin is the glitch in the matrix. And if you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and ring that bell to turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this, and help me get to 100,000 subs so we can get to a six-figure Bitcoin price, light speed. As always, much love, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.